If you only track who responded and who did not, you're not really qualifying leads, because without proper context, it's easy to miss who's warm, who needs follow-up, and who's ready to buy. Calls alone won't close deals. It's what you capture during those calls that moves the needle. And here's how you do that with KrispCall, the AI-powered business phone system. This tutorial will guide you to mastering KrispCall's call handling tools to help you qualify leads on the go. Let's get started. Log into your KrispCall account and head over to Contacts. Start by creating a contact. Don't know their details? Save it for conversation later. Uploading contacts in bulk makes it easier. Just drop your CSV file. All the numbers are here. Start calling your leads and stay prepared to fill in their details. As you talk to them, add their name and details. As the conversation deepens, add tags and make key notes. If you use multiple phone numbers, assign the number as a tag that you used for the call. Now, as you finish calling, believe it or not, your leads are qualified. Go back to Contacts and check. Your numbers are auto-updated with names and assigned tags. Now qualify them with the tags you've assigned. Need more context? Copy the name, go to the number, and search the logs. The conversation details and keynotes are right in front of you. Want to sync lead qualification further into your CRM? Go to Settings, navigate to Integrations, and connect with 100+ tools you already use. And follow the integration tutorial guides in detail here. Stuck anywhere? Visit KrispCall.com and contact our live support anytime.